Hey, I'm Aaron, and today we'll be taking a closer look at Olio 10. If you like this puzzle and want to pick it up, it's available at puzzlemaster.ca. Okay, so here we have Olio 10. This puzzle is a level 8 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale, ranging from 5 to 10. This puzzle was made in Canada out of three colors of laser cut acrylic. We have 6 pieces here, 4 here, and our frame. And this puzzle was designed by Yuasaka of Japan. He's done many puzzles, Jigsaw 29, 19, Wave 5, Wave 7, Ice 9, all of them amazing puzzles. This is another puzzle in that line. The whole goal of this puzzle is to fit all these components into the frame. You have the 4 rectangular pieces and 6 circles. And as it kind of says on the label, not enough round holes. So, it's kind of interesting. This puzzle, the rectangular pieces, there's not really a lot of problem putting them into the frame. None at all, actually. You can just put them in. It's not a big deal. But where the big complexity is in this puzzle, there's not enough holes. Never seems like you can match up enough holes. That's more or less kind of how this puzzle will go. If you enjoyed Wave 7 or Wave 5 or Ice 9, I mean, this is another wonderful addition into that collection and should definitely be on your list. Or if you're new to the puzzle scene, I feel like this wouldn't be a bad place to start either. I don't think it's the hardest puzzle from Yuasaka by far, but it's a very solid addition and a very good place to start if you're looking to get into Yuasaka puzzles. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.